In this video, we're going to show you how to withdraw from Uphold. And the first way that we're going to show you is how to withdraw money from Uphold directly to your bank account. Then we'll also show you how to withdraw crypto to a wallet. And there'll be a timeline in the summary below for those looking to jump to specific parts of this tutorial. For more information or for a written step-by-step guide, please check out everybithelps.io. So although we've used Uphold for a number of years, we can never remember how to withdraw, and it always takes us several minutes to work it out. Uphold gives users the option to withdraw money directly to their bank account. Or if they want to hold crypto, they can also withdraw crypto to another exchange or crypto wallet. So let's jump in and take a look at how to withdraw from Uphold. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to show you this all on the web platform, but the process is very similar for withdrawing on mobile instead. So once you've logged into your Uphold account, you're going to reach the portfolio page. And from here, you want to head across to the Anything to Anything panel, which is on the right-hand side of the screen. From the From drop-down, under My Accounts, select the cryptocurrency account that you want to sell and withdraw from Uphold. And if you can't see the crypto from the list, you're going to need to click on to See More. Then enter the amount that you want to withdraw, which can be done manually, or you can select a percentage of your portfolio. And later in the box below, you're going to see an approximate value of the amount in your chosen fiat currency. Next, we're going to click onto the To drop-down, where you can select your bank account, and you can filter the results by choosing banks at the top of the screen. In this example, mine's GBP bank account. If you don't already have a bank account set up, you can add one by clicking on the plus icon here. Then select your bank's currency, where you'll then be prompted to verify your bank account. To link a bank account, you're going to need to verify that it's in your name. To do this, you'll need to copy the bank account details on the next page, head across to your online or mobile banking account, and transfer any amount across. Once the amount's then been received, you'll be able to use the account to withdraw to. Now I've already got my bank account linked, so I'm going to select that from the list. And when you do, you'll then see that equivalent is then showing in my fiat currency, which is in GBP. And underneath here, you'll see any fees that are going to incur. In this instance, it's going to be an exchange fee, which occurs when I convert from BTC to GBP. And once you've got your bank account selected, you can then choose to preview withdrawal. Here is where you're going to see a preview of the withdrawal, including the market rate, which is the price you're going to be selling your crypto for, and you can also include a note for your transaction. Then choose to confirm withdrawal when you're happy, and your money will then withdraw to your bank's account. Now when it comes to withdrawing crypto to a wallet instead, the process is very similar. So you head across to your Anything to Anything panel on the right hand side of the screen. From the From drop-down, choose My Accounts, then select the cryptocurrency again that you want to withdraw from Uphold. And you can click See More to view all of your accounts. This time, when you click on the To drop-down, select Crypto Networks. Then select the network that you're withdrawing to. Once that's selected, you can then preview withdrawal, where you're then going to be prompted to enter in a crypto address for your withdrawal. And this will either be a deposit or a receive address from within a wallet. And you'll just need to paste in the address, ensuring that the address is correct and double checking everything. Then choose Confirm. And here is where you'll see the withdrawal fee, which is charged by the network for completing the transaction. The amount will vary depending on the network that you choose and the crypto. When you're happy, you can then choose to confirm the withdrawal, and your balance will then update. And that's all you need to do for withdrawing from Uphold. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and if you want a written step-by-step guide or a full Uphold tutorial, please check out everybithelps.io. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.